There's no question the heat and humidity in Louisiana can make the summer months impossible to live with if you don't have air conditioning. For 6 years, Pioneer Comfort Systems has donated a new unit to 6 different categories. This year, the category was an educator, and a teacher from Bossier High School was the recipient.
It's just been amazing. Just after not having air for 2 or 3 years and having the central air unit has made such a big difference on sleeping and functioning and cooking and everything. And so we're really grateful and blessed that Michael and them did what they did and that we were chosen.
To go from no air conditioning, or at least limited air, to now having central air has been a godsend for Nicole and her family. Again, the Pioneer Comfort Systems family has donated 6 of these units. Michael Smith tells us why they do it.
We just want to try to do what we can to make the community a better place to live. We love doing it. It has a great impact on whoever we do it for, and it's just an opportunity to try to give back to the community.
So anytime we have a campaign or a giveaway, KTBS and the sponsor, in this case Pioneer Comfort Systems, want you to always know that the install took place. It did. For KTBS 3, I'm Community Projects Director Jan Elkins.